Ever accidentally delete a contact in Follow Up Boss and feel that pit in your stomach? Don't panic, because today, I'm going to show you how to retrieve those lost contacts from the trash in just a few easy steps. First, log into your Follow Up Boss account. Once you're in, navigate to the People section, usually located in the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, click on the Filters button. This will open up a drop-down menu with various filtering options to help you sift through your contacts. From the Filters menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Trash. Click on it. This will display all the contacts that have been deleted from your account. Now you'll see a list of all the contacts currently residing in your trash. To restore a contact, simply locate their name in the list and check the box next to it. With the desired contact selected, look for the Restore button. It is typically located at the top or bottom of the screen. Click this button to bring the contact back to your active list. A confirmation message might pop up asking if you're sure you want to restore the contact. Confirm your choice to finalize the restoration. And that's it. The contact will now reappear in your main contact list, fully restored and ready for you to continue your lead management efforts. You've successfully recovered a contact from the Follow Up Boss trash. Thanks for watching. #DataRecovery #Contact Management.